I made this mug from a cow horn. I also made this griddle. Quite a few of my bushcrafting tools I make myself. I did a video on how to make all this stuff about a year ago. I'll put a link in the video description below. Got some pork jowl bacon left over from my last trip. Gonna let that cook right there. There we go. A buttery hot tortilla covered in cinnamon and sugar. If you like cinnamon toast, you're gonna like this. Whew. Buttery cinnamon and sugar tortillas, not bad.
I think I need to get my pants on and start cleaning up.
This is a really nice shelter.